Any information on the weapons, sir?
No, not yet. We have not been. We have not got any information on that yet. We have appealed to all, in fact, the headmen and the leaders also from the different organizations, that that they should also take full interest, and they should also ensure that proper information is given to everybody, and that these weapons should be returned back.
So in your meeting with them, did you assure that no action will be taken against them, and they just have to come and it will be confidential there?
Anonymity will be maintained. We have said that the interest of the state as of now is to get back the weapons.
But don't you think, are you saying that they will not be punished for what they've done?
See, the situation and the circumstances under which happened, one does not know very clearly. So for us to simply jump into the aspect of saying that they were going with the intention of grabbing it would not be correct at this point in time. So therefore, what is important to us is to ensure that the weapons are back. Therefore, we will keep the anonymity. We will be interested more to ensure that the safety of the people is there, so the weapons should be brought back. Thank you.